Um, just a wee quick video today, nothing much doing. In here I decided I didn't like the way the fennel and the star anise was growing, so I've started them again. I can see in the back there that my French marigolds have started to come up. This is more beetroot that I sowed because my garlic is going to be ready in a couple of months, so it'll need to come out, so that'll give me some spare bed. So I've got that going. Parsley still showing nothing. I find it difficult for some reason for parsley to germinate. These are empty. These are just in here to get to the correct temperature for anything that decides that it needs moved. That's just compost, and this is how I water my seeds. So that's what's going on in here. The heater's not on, by the way. It's off. This is another painting I've started for the river here. If we go out the back door, nothing really much has changed. I've still got my chard and my spinach in these cups. This one has died. I kept some basil in here in the greenhouse in case the stuff down there doesn't work, and I've got my green beans. The lettuce isn't doing very well. It's not growing very quick. And here I've got another one of these bottle waterers, but I've got some liquid seaweed in this one. These have grown, I'd say, about 3 inches from the last video. These are my Crimson Crush, my outdoor tomatoes. These are my indoor tomatoes, and I've got one truss there. This, again, Crimson Crush. This is the one that broke on the way home. I bought these ones from a garden centre, so I'm growing this side shoot to become the new leader. And this is Sun Gold. This one here is Shirley. And the one on the other side is Cherry. Again, I've got more Crimson Crush in here. And this one needs a lot of the side shoots taken off. And I think we're getting to the stage where I think I'm going to have to start tying them up. And my sweet corn is still growing well. The only difference we've done really is we've put these up with trailing lobelia. Everything else seems to be the same. And that's about it really. Got my peas in. And that's about us. We're nearly done. I don't know, down there on that wee planter I've put the herbs that I was talking about in the last one. I've split them up and I've put them in there. And that's it. Still waiting in this fence to get done. And I'm hoping we don't get a light frost this year. If we don't, then I'll be getting some pears, which normally I lose because of frost. And the apple trees are flowering, so I should get some apples as well. And that's about it. By the way, these are fake. They're solar lights that the wife bought, and I think they're horrendous, but never mind. And that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye now.